had it was on Na Fianna Force. Fantastic. Enjoy that, Claire?
Loved it. It's even faster
On Wednesday.
That was running amazing. What a ride. Do you know what I love on it? All the dips.
I know, it's good, isn't it?
It's the only one, right? There's not many coasters. Invent's give you a belly drop. This one does. Did you get belly drop?
Yeah, unfortunately, I ignored the first ride, but my lap bar wasn't as tight the first time, so I had a bit more.
Mine's tight and doesn't run round, sorry.
That's very good.